You will love the features of this 2019 Nissan Titan. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer. Here's an all-powerful Nissan Titan, the full-size pickup that's refined on the inside and rugged on the outside. Connected tech, potent towing, beefy payload capacity, and driver assist safety features let you tackle every challenge with confidence. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, fog lamps, electronic stability control, blind spot monitor, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel the exhilaration of full-size power in this Titan. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.